This is Alan Bush with ADMIS in the stock index futures, seeing some higher prices this morning. Looks like a lot of the trade is evening up ahead of the elections today. Longer term though, we feel that stock index futures are likely to come under some additional downside pressure regardless of the outcome of today's elections. Of course, we do have the fiscal cliff coming up in January that could potentially send the U.S. into a recession, although there are hopes that there will be some type of an agreement that would prevent that. In the currency markets, seeing the euro currency higher, even though we did have German factory orders coming in down 3.3%, and that was worse than expected. In fact, that was the largest decline in over a year. Also, some additional concerns that Greece may not receive their bailout from the European Union. There could be a vote in the Greek parliament as early as tomorrow whether or not this proposal will be approved. We had the Australian dollar trading higher after the Reserve Bank of Australia leaving credit policies unchanged with their benchmark interest rate at 3.25%. There was some talk that they could cut by 25 basis points. However, the RBA did open the window for the potential for easier credit at the upcoming meeting in a month. Longer term, we feel that the euro currency is likely to head lower. One very worrying sign is the yield on the German 2-year note at a negative yield. This is a sign that investors in the region are willing to pay someone to hold their assets, basically to safeguard their wealth, and this has to be viewed as a negative indication as far as the economic outlook for the Eurozone. So longer term, the euro currency is likely to head lower with what we're seeing. Credit markets, also an evening up session today with the elections today. Longer term, we feel that the main trend is still higher with the looming fiscal cliff coming up. The global economy appears to be continuing to weaken, so this bull market appears to be intact for the credit futures market. Once again, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or Archer Daniels Midland.
Europe really begins this structural reform process.